Hi everybody, and we're back here and we're going to finish up this column that we developed out of our 3D model here. And this is what we call an assembly. I want to tile these views here and just wrapping this thing up. So we've got our foundation plan here where we're showing our footings, and then we took that section which is here and we brought it into an assembly. So this is our 3D view, and I don't know what's going on there. But anyway, so we have basically, this is how you set up a structural project. Please, everybody, thanks for watching this series. We might look at something different in structural, but that's how you do it. You can go, you can even do beams this way. Well, maybe in the next video I'll show you how to do a beam. If we're going to go and look at steel next and everything. But this is basically how this works. So we've got if we go into our project browser here, what we've done in this course, where we the project. So there's our foundation plan. This is our second floor framing here, and we got our elevations, our roof framing, and I'm going to zoom us all these. I'm going to window tile these by clicking WT. And so these are all the drawings that we created from this model that we created from this book that I'm looking at. So we got elevations here. And then we got our reinforcing and everything. So hey guys, just wanted to run you through this. So this is basically the final in this series. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Like I said, this is a basic foundation, so we'll go and look at steel in the next exercise. So I want to just say, everybody, thank you for watching, getting me to 3,000 subscribers. Now I'm trying to get to 4,000. So please help me and support this channel. Thank you all for watching again, and let me see what we got here. I'll see you guys in the next video. So I'm going to conclude these. Let me see, I'm going to tab these views. Just go view tab views here. Okay. And there's the structure we made, sort of a podium type thing, and we're going to do reinforcement. So maybe I'll look at something different, maybe caissons next or something, but tile, CA. But yeah, that's it. So also we have our schedules here. Oh, I didn't make a sheet for schedules. So basically what, you know how to do this. You go here, we'll open this blank sheet up, and I'm going to tab these views right quickly here. Oh, and there are my schedules. So these are the columns and the locations. We know how to manipulate schedules. I've done many classes about this. We know how to manipulate this. So maybe we want to do some things like sorting and grouping, or how we want to make these work. So these are basically our walls here. And then we have, like I said, we have our assemblies here, where we create the individual columns or whatever. So hey guys, let me go back here. Let me see, window tile. So this is basically how you would do a structural project, what we've just done in this course. We've got our foundation here. This is our 3D model. These are elevations. This is our roof, which is basically concrete suspended slab. And then here's our framing. And there's our basic, let me see, I want to tab that view. And that's basically our part drawing, or our piece ticket. And you can modify this and elevate this and everything else. So hey everybody, thank you for watching. Please support my channel. Appreciate it. We got the 3,000 subscribers again, and without you guys, wow, thank you, and see you in the next video. Any requests or anything, let me know. We'll get to it. So anyway, thanks guys. Talk to you later. Bye. Be safe.